I'm so glad to be back in Brooklyn. It is my pleasure to introduce the Galaxy Note 10.
The Note experience has always started with a screen. We've packed all the power and productivity of the Note into 2 different sizes. It's the narrowest Note we've ever made. And for those die-hard Note fans, the Note 10 Plus comes with the biggest screen ever on a Note. Both devices are impossibly thin, at less than 8 millimeters. The Note 10's dynamic AMOLED display is brilliant and utterly immersive. And it gives off less blue light to maximize your eye comfort without sacrificing color. In fact, the front of the phone has virtually no bezels, giving it the highest screen-to-window ratio ever on a Note. To make room for all that screen, we made the camera cutout smaller, and we centered it at the top of the Infinity O display. At the bottom, we built an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor right beneath the glass. The Note 10 has a seamless design, just 2 buttons on the side. When it comes to color, we've designed some amazing new options, including the one-of-a-kind Aura Glow, which creates iridescent colors by refracting light. And of course, no matter which color you choose, your Note 10 will come with the trademark feature of the Note series, the S Pen. And we've made Samsung Notes better than ever. Once you've got your thoughts on the page, you can zoom in and out and highlight, so it's easy to mark up your notes exactly the way you want. Now, handwritten notes don't have to stay on your phone or tablet. You can convert your handwriting into text easier than ever, so you can save your notes as text files, PDFs, or Word documents. It can even understand multiple languages. Of course, the S Pen is much more than just a writing tool. This year, we're building on that foundation by giving the S Pen a new 6-axis motion sensor, including an accelerometer and a gyro sensor. By detecting the direction and acceleration of your movements, the S Pen lets you control your device with simple gestures. And it can be used to control other apps, too. With the Note 10, you get an end-to-end video experience. Well, with Note 10, you can apply bokeh to your videos, too. Now the Note 10 lets you zoom in on sounds. So as you zoom in, both the image and the sounds come into focus. Super Steady puts an action camera in your smartphone. So using the Note 10's built-in gyro sensor, Super Steady detects speed and shakiness to stabilize your footage for you. Filmmaking isn't just about capturing awesome video and audio. That's why we put an entire editing suite right on the Note 10. And if you choose a Note 10 Plus, you'll get access to another AR experience through our depth vision camera. Together with a wide-angle lens, it specializes in measuring depth of field. Now we can create our own AR effects using just our smartphones.
The Note 10 delivers a truly epic experience. Here's how. Our intelligent game booster actually analyzes your gaming pattern and optimizes its performance just for you. And to add more, the Note 10 has a vapor chamber that cools your phone down even when the game is heating up. For the first time, you can voice chat with your squad and check their mobile game status directly through the Samsung Game Launcher with Discord. The Note 10 is incredibly powerful. It has a super fast processor and smooth high-res graphics. And with the biggest and the smartest battery we've ever put onto a Note, we've built to last all day. The Note 10 supports fast wireless charging 2.0. And for the first time, the Note 10 Plus also supports super fast wired charging up to 45 watts. With Samsung Knox, our devices are protected by a defense-grade security platform. Knox is built into the S10 and anchored directly to the chipset to make sure the only person who can access your phone is you. And now, we're bringing that power to the Note with the Note 10 Plus 5G.
DeX works by extending the power of your phone to your PC. Today, I'm really happy to announce that DeX now works on your laptop as well, both PC and Mac. All you need is a simple USB-C cable. We're excited to announce a major new partnership with our good friends at Microsoft.
With the Note 10, we worked with Samsung to integrate the Link to Windows button right in the quick panel. And once you're linked, you will have access to your most recent texts, notifications, pictures, and much more from inside your phone app. I'm really excited to announce that later this year, we will be enabling you to make and receive calls as well directly from your PC.
The Note 10 will be available starting at $949. The Note 10 Plus starting at $1099. And you can get yours on August 23rd. Pre-orders begin tomorrow. And for the first time, you can even pre-order yours from the Microsoft Store.
I'm so excited to introduce you to the next and newest member of the Galaxy family, the Galaxy Book S. It really is a beautiful device, super slim, ultra light, and it comes in 2 stunning colors. It's got a gorgeous 13-inch touchscreen, perfect for watching movies or getting work done on the go. And thanks to Qualcomm, the Galaxy Book S has a powerful mobile chipset with LTE connectivity. And it runs Windows 10, so you get all the benefits of a PC environment, including Microsoft Office and the Your Phone app that Shilpa showed you earlier. Its super powerful battery lasts 23 hours. And when I do need to plug in, I don't have to carry around a separate heavy charger. I can just use the same one as my Note 10. It'll be available starting at $999, beginning in September.